Nana.
Oh, you're calling me mommy. Okay. Well, first of all, greetings and welcome. I'm now taking myself still so I can see all of my family. And when I do this, it reminds me of being at my family reunion. So you have to excuse me a little bit. I don't know you, but I know you. I haven't had the opportunity to love you the way I want to love you, but I hope you can feel my energy for you. I'm so glad that you took the time, the energy, the money, and the sacrifice to come home. There are so many reasons why you have come, and all of those reasons will be satisfied. If you come to reconnect with your family, you've done it. If you come to see where your ancestors were taken from, you're doing it. If you're coming to see where your future and your legacy is, you're seeing it. My name is Imara Sawasi. I come out of Atlanta, Georgia, by way of Bronx, New York.
BK!
I've been in Ghana, in particular in the mountain region. November 6th will be 12 years consecutive.
Wow!
I came here in 2004 with my daughter, who was then 15 years old, 10th grade. I had been telling her since she could understand that we were going to go home and that we were living where we were living just temporarily.
Yes.
So please don't get too connected with anybody that you see, because you may not see them again in a very short time. Enjoy, grow, use all of the resources that are available to you. You've got free internet, you've got free library, you've got free public school, you got all these things for free. When we go home, nothing is going to be free except our freedom.
Of course. Right now, say that.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you enjoy all of those tools. That's what I call them. I don't call them luxuries, I don't call them necessities, I call them tools. Because the only thing you really need is food, shelter, and clothing. Love in your heart, and you can go anywhere in the world. Okay? I came out of Atlanta knowing that it was a mecca, a convergence of serious minds, a convergence of new African spirits, a convergence of people that wanted to learn about themselves, make changes in their lives, and make changes in the lives of the people that they love, and to leave a legacy. We've got some showers of blessings. I hope you don't mind. If it gets too much, then we'll have to move. Yeah, because the sun is coming back out. It's not going to last too long. So if you don't mind getting a little bit wet, I'm going to stay out here and get a little bit wet with you.